Gold prices across Iraq continued their upward trajectory on Wednesday, with the price of gold approaching the 900,000 Iraqi Dinar (IQD) mark per minute ithqal in both Baghdad and Erbil. The latest figures, based on a market survey, indicate that demand for gold has remained strong as buyers and investors closely monitor movements in global precious metals markets. The sustained increase in prices reflects the broader trend that has been observed in recent trading sessions, with local markets responding to both international price fluctuations and domestic demand. In Baghdad's well-known Al-Nar Street Gold Market, which serves as one of Iraq's leading centers for gold trading, the selling price of 21-carat Gulf, Turkish, and European gold reached 897,000 IQD per minute ithqal, equivalent to 5 grams. Traders reported that the buying price stood at 893,000 IQD per minute ithqal. The latest prices represent a significant increase compared with Sunday's trading session, when the same category of gold was sold for approximately 87,000 IQD per minute ithqal. The rise of nearly 27,000 IQD within just a few days highlights the continued strength of the local gold market and reflects growing interest from both investors and consumers. Market participants noted that the latest increase has attracted considerable attention from buyers who have been following gold prices closely. Many customers visiting Baghdad's gold markets have been comparing current prices with those recorded earlier in the week as they decide whether to purchase immediately or wait for possible price adjustments. Gold continues to be regarded as one of the preferred stores of value in Iraq, particularly during periods of uncertainty in global financial markets and fluctuations in international commodity prices. The survey also showed that Iraqi-made 21-carat gold continued to trade at lower prices than imported varieties. On Wednesday, the selling price for Iraqi gold stood at 867,000 IQD per minute ithqal, while the buying price reached 863,000 IQD. The difference between locally manufactured and imported gold remained consistent with previous trading sessions, reflecting variations in production costs, craftsmanship, and consumer preferences. Despite the lower price, Iraqi gold continues to enjoy steady demand among buyers seeking locally produced jewelry and investment products. Jewelry stores throughout Baghdad reported slightly higher retail prices compared with the wholesale market. According to traders, the selling price for 21-carat Gulf gold ranged between 900,000 and 910,000 IQD per minute ithqal, depending on the design, workmanship, and retailer. Meanwhile, Iraqi gold was offered to customers at prices ranging between 870,000 and 880,000 IQD per minute ithqal. Retail prices typically include additional manufacturing and commercial costs, resulting in a premium over wholesale market rates. Gold merchants indicated that customer activity remained relatively stable despite the recent increase in prices. While some consumers postponed purchases in anticipation of future price movements, others continued buying gold for weddings, family occasions, and long-term savings. Seasonal demand and cultural traditions continue to play an important role in supporting Iraq's jewelry market, particularly for 21-carat gold, which remains the most popular purity level among consumers. In the Kurdistan region, gold prices also reflected the upward trend witnessed in Baghdad. Markets in Erbil recorded a selling price of 937,000 IQD per minute ithqal for 22-carat gold, while 21-carat gold was sold at 895,000 IQD per minute ithqal. Meanwhile, 18-carat gold traded at 767,000 IQD per minute ithqal. The pricing differences between the various carat categories reflect the varying levels of gold purity, with higher carat gold containing a greater percentage of pure gold and therefore commanding higher prices. The parallel movement of prices in Baghdad and Erbil suggests that Iraq's major gold markets continue to respond similarly to broader market developments. Traders noted that pricing remains closely linked to international gold markets, while also reflecting local demand, currency conditions, and commercial trading activity. Daily adjustments in retail and wholesale prices are common as merchants respond to changes in global bullion prices and exchange rate movements. Market observers continue to monitor developments in international financial markets, as global gold prices often influence domestic trading levels in Iraq. Changes in investor sentiment, geopolitical developments, inflation expectations, and monetary policy decisions by major central banks frequently affect the international price of gold, which in turn impacts local market prices after accounting for exchange rates and import costs. Despite the recent gains, traders emphasize that gold prices remain subject to daily fluctuations. Buyers and sellers are expected to continue monitoring market conditions closely, as new economic data and international developments shape global precious metals trading. Local merchants also expect trading activity to remain active, as consumers evaluate current prices and consider their purchasing decisions. Overall, Wednesday's trading session highlighted the continued strength of Iraq's gold market, with prices remaining close to the 900,000 IQD threshold per minute IQD across the country's major commercial centers. Both Baghdad and Erbil recorded firm prices across multiple gold categories, reflecting sustained demand and ongoing market activity. Traders will continue watching both domestic and international developments in the coming days to assess whether the upward trend in gold prices will continue or stabilize at current levels.